Hello, Anitra here with another Smart Minute on healthy meal planning. You know, going to the grocery store every week can really be daunting for some people, but it really doesn't have to be. If you can make yourself a master grocery list, it makes shopping a lot easier. As you become familiar with the layout of your grocery store, you're going to be able to do this really quickly, sectioning things together like frozen foods, produce, breads, deli, and so on. Now, I like to post a master grocery list in my kitchen every week so that I can go ahead and circle the items that I need. That way, when I go to the grocery store, I'm not distracted by other items I don't really need. To make my master grocery list, I simply make a list of everything that I usually get. All of the specialty items can be added later week by week. This not only helps you stay organized, but also helps you not to overspend. The idea about grocery shopping is to get in, get out, and get home, because after all, you have many more important things to do. With Simply Living Smart, this is Anitra with another Smart Minute on healthy meal planning.